Hello everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. So today I'm sharing this sweet little cupcake box. So this is a mini cupcake. It's really small and I've seen these before at the grocery store and I never thought to make a box for it, but I had a few people ask me if I've made a mini cupcake box because I've done some regular cupcake boxes, some cookie boxes and stuff like that, which I'll probably link somewhere in this video so you can check those out if you haven't seen them. But this one is so cute and I'm so glad they asked for it because it's adorable. So look how cute. And it opens like a little bakery box does, and look at how cute that little cupcake is in there. I thought it turned out adorable, and so I'm really glad that someone asked to do it because, I don't know, eventually I probably would have gotten around to doing it because I'm usually looking for something to make a box for. I mean, I'm just a box nut. All right, so this is what I'm sharing today. This one is for a birthday. I used the Way to Goat stamp set, and I'll show you that here in just a second as soon as I get this bow tied again. But it's really cute. The little sentiment I put on it says, "I got you a cake," and I thought it'd be a really cute party favor for a birthday. So it's from this stamp set right here, the Way to Goat. And you can put, this one says, "Happy birthday, you old goat." So if it's for an adult, even for like a 50th, you can do them in black and then put that little sentiment on here. But this one says, "I got you a cake." And I thought it was perfect for this little box since it's such a little cute little box. We're gonna do a baby one today because I thought these would be really cute for a baby shower. So I'm using the So Sentimental for this one. And it says, "Hello Baby" on here. We're gonna use some little confetti as well. Just to dress it up, I used it on this one too. So that is what we are doing. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so for this one, we're gonna do a balmy blue. So I guess this would be for a boy, but you can use any of the colors in here. The subtles are great for neutral colors, even like the soft seafoam. If you don't know the sex of the baby, you can do petal pink or blushing bride. There's just so many options. So these two, you need two pieces that are 6 3/4 by 6 3/4. So you'll need 2 pieces of A4 cardstock to cut these from. This is for the inside of the box, which if you're gonna just put goodies in it like candy or just any other little treat like cookies, little mini cookies or something, you don't really need this. This is just to hold the cupcake in place. So this is 3 by 3. That's for the inside of the box. Then you need scrap Whisper White for the sentiment. And you do need a piece of a window sheet. And this is 2 1/8 by 2. And then I'm using our 6 by 6 designer series paper, and you need 7 that measure 2 1/8 by 2. Now I ran short of this. I only had one piece, and so I was a little short, so I cut these, were a little bit short. These are like 2 by 1 3/4, but I'm going to use them on the sides of the box because we are going to cut up the sides of the box, so it'll work for this. All right, and I think that's about everything that we need. So let's go ahead and score these. I am using the layering oval or the layering circles to cut out the circle for our window. So this is very easy scoring. On both of these, you're going to score them the same way. You're going to score it at 2 1/4 and 4 1/2. And you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it again at 2 1/4 and 4 1/2. We're going to do the other piece the exact same way, but we are cutting these different. So it's 2 1/4 and 4 1/2. Turn, and 2 1/4 and 4 1/2. That's it. These are really easy to put together. So we are going to cut the bottom first. So let's cut up each one of these. Then turn it, and you're going to cut up this side too. We're going to cut like little glue tabs. We're going to cut these in half just to cut down on the bulk of the box. Do the same on this side. And then I cut in on each of these. So all of these we're creating our little glue tabs here. And then one more. So this is for your bottom part of your box. All right, let's get this out of the way. And then for the top, you're cutting out this square. And then we're going to cut this one out. These are pieces big enough to save and use for your die cuts. And then you're going to cut up this side and this side. And we're going to just leave these square like that. All right. So what we're going to do next is we are going to mat the top part of this. Okay, we're just matting this top piece right here. I'm going to use wet glue. And then we're going to use our Stamp and Cut and Emboss, and we are going to cut our window out. And the window that we're cutting, or the one that we're cutting here, is like 1 3/4 inches for the window. So let's grab the Cut and Emboss machine here. And you need your 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put this here. Set that in the center. And then I'm going to put a little bit of my purple tape on here. Make sure that's centered. And you do need to fold this over, but don't worry, we're going to mat that piece too. And then we're going to run that through. And we need to bring this back when we're ready to do our sentiment and the inside of our box. Let's see if I can get this off. I've been struggling with my purple tape tearing my paper here lately. And I'm trying, yeah, see, that's doing it again. All right, this is not gonna show, so we're not gonna worry about that because we are going to fold that inside. All right, but I don't know why it's doing that. It's bugging me. I haven't had a problem before, but I don't know. All right, so we're going to put in our window sheet now. Again, I'm going to use wet glue. And then we'll set that on here. I like the wet glue because it'll dry clear, and then you can't see it. I used to use like, I would use like glue dots or tear and tape, but I like this much better. All right, let's sharpen these score marks. And now what you're going to mat are these 3 here and then this one right here. So I need the smaller pieces to go on the sides here because this is where we're going to cut. So I'm going to use those smaller pieces, but cut yours all the same so that you don't have any issue like I did. If you have enough of your designer series paper, I would just cut them all the same. All 7 pieces that you're going to mat. This one, and then we're going to do the back one. And we're using the other 2 pieces to mat the bottom of the box. All right, so that's everything. So now we're ready to put this together. So we're going to add adhesive here. And then we'll line this up. I'm going to do the same on this side. And then this is going to be the top of our box. So I'm using my scissors and I am cutting these at an angle. You don't really have to do this if you don't like to, but I like it to look more like that bakery style. So I just cut it from one corner to the other. Just like that. So that is all ready to go. We'll set that aside. And we're going to sharpen all of your score marks here. And then we're going to put adhesive on all our glue tabs here. Make sure your box is nice and square. That's why I like the wet glue, because you can scoot these over if you need to. All right, now we'll mat our last two pieces. So you are going to mat one side, and this is where we have the adhesive, so I want these to be our sides, and I want it to be clean on the back here. So I'm adding my matting here. And then you're going to do it on the opposite side. And now we're ready to add our lid. So you're going to add adhesive here. And the way I like to do this is I like to put it on top here like this. And remember to line it up where you're matted those. So I like to put the top on and then I'll push down the back. So it lines up really nice. And just like that. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to use my little 1/2 inch circle punch, and we're going to put a little, this really helps to be able to open this box because it is solid to the bottom here. So if you just pull that up, it opens. So now we're going to do the inside. So on the inside, we need to score it. And we are just going to score this at 1/2 inch on all 4 sides. Okay, so then you have that little square in the middle. That's where we're going to cut our hole. So let's bring that cut emboss back. And we are going to cut our hole. Line it up in the center. And I'm going to grab me a sticky note, I think, this time, because I don't want the chance of it tearing again. If anybody's got any tricks with the purple tape, let me know. It wasn't doing that when I first started using it, but all of a sudden, we need to cut out our little circle as well. I should have put them both through at the same time, so I'm going to do our little circle there. Okay, so we're done with the big, I want to say big shot, but that is not the big shot, definitely. I am really enjoying the cut and emboss. By the way, this cut and emboss machine will be available to order on September 1st. Alright, so we are going to cut here, and I'm just going to rotate it and cut, and rotate it and cut. And then we're going to sharpen these. It's important to really sharpen these good too. And then we are going to add adhesive to our corners. And you're going to fold those corners down. And then it is ready to go inside our box. So it's going to look like that. Okay, let's stamp our sentiment. I'm going to use some Balmy Blue. And like I said, I'm using the Hello Baby. Stamp that in the center. I'm using my Balmy Blue dark blend, and I'm going to color in the little heart. And then, whoops. And then we're going to just use our little bit of confetti and stamp that. Just like that. I got that glue on my finger, and oh my goodness. Alright, so there's our little sentiment. It's really cute. I'm going to use my small little, I'm not using like the regular size. This is a little bit smaller, and I can't remember. I think it was 1/8 of an inch, but we don't carry those anymore. So if you have any that is small, use the smaller one. And then I'm using my crinkled seam binding ribbon in the Whisper White. Oh, let's go ahead and put that in the inside. And I have my little cupcake too, so let's drop that down so it fits perfectly inside there. But look at the cupcake, isn't it adorable? So we're going to put that inside. Also, if you're going to put like cookies and stuff that you have baked in here, like little cookies or anything like that, make sure. Now, why is that not going in there? Did I do the wrong size hole? The last time, let me see. Yeah, for some reason that one's not, I think I did the wrong size. And then on my other one. So, let me grab the next size up and see if that fit on there. Oh yes, it does. I did the wrong size. So, this is the one that goes on the inside. I thought I had another larger one, but so this is 2 inches. So that's what you need for the inside cupcake. But we're going to just go ahead and put that in there and forget the cupcake right now. So then we're going to close this up with our, I was thinking when I was doing that, that seemed a little small, but I didn't put 2 and 2 together. All right. So we're going to tie a bow in this. And clip that a little bit shorter. And there you have it. Aren't they adorable though? I mean, they're so cute. It's so little, and those cupcakes, look at the cupcake. It's just so adorable. I think it'd be really, really cute party favor, even for a birthday or for a baby shower. I can think of so many, even a wedding shower would be really cute, and just do it in the wedding colors. All right, everyone, so that's it. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye, everyone.